To take a screenshot on a long page on Chrome, you need to install an extension called Go Full Page. The link is in the description. Once you're on the extensions page, click on Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. And voila, now it's ready. Then click on this extensions icon right here. Click on the little pin so that it shows right here, the little camera icon. Let's go back to the website. Press the camera button, and it takes the screenshot of the entire page. Once it has taken the page, you can either save it as image by clicking on this icon. Allow this. Voila, now it's saved to your folder. Or you can click on this PDF to download it as a PDF. Then click on the recent download history icon right here, click on the folder, and you will see the files right here.